This is a cheesecake that I'm going to teach you. Now these are the 8 main ingredients that is needed. The vanilla essence, then Philadelphia cream cheese, then you have the lime for lime juice, then you have whipping cream, then you have the butter, and then you have the digestive biscuit for the base, and then the sugar. These are the main 8 ingredients, and this is the blueberries. This is for the decoration. Mix it well. Put this biscuit, flatten this neatly. You can set it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Gelatin and mix it well in a warm water.
Add too much sugar because we want to make it less sweet. So I'm going to add only
Teaspoon, okay. Lime juice. Sweet and fluffy. Cream is becoming thicker. You can increase the speed slowly, but have a control over the speed.
the soft peak stage. We shouldn't eat more than this. Add the gelatin and mix that.
Add the cream. We have to be careful. See how I'm doing. Refrigerator for about 6 to 8 hours. Purely with the blueberry.